Hey friends, welcome to Code Explore. Today we are going to see question number 1572 on LeetCode matrix diagonal sum. Yes, so let's understand the question. So in question we have given an n cross n square matrix. In that we have to find some of its diagonals. That is, we have here two diagonals. One is a left diagonal and one is right diagonal. We have to find sum of its diagonal elements. Okay, so here, phi is what intersection element of this left diagonal and right diagonal. So in this approach, what I'm going to do, I'm going to count the sum of right diagonal, sum of right diagonal, sum of left diagonal. Okay. So in the case where n is odd, here n is what 3. What is happening? We are counting this phi two times. Okay, in the left diagonal also and in right diagonal also. So if n is odd, we'll subtract that intersection element which is present at n by 2 comma n by 2 position. We'll subtract that. Okay, if the n is what odd, but in the case where n is even, no need to subtract that element because there will be no as such element uh, which is the intersection of these two diagonals. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a 4 cross 4 matrix, and this is the left matrix, this is the right matrix, and there is no as such element which is the intersection of these two diagonals. Okay, so no need to subtract that element. Yes. So if you see the positions of elements in this left diagonal, this one is present at 0 comma 0 position, this is at 1 comma 1, this is at 2 comma 2, and this is at 3 comma 3. Okay, so it's simple in case of left diagonal. But in case of right diagonal, every element is present at position I comma n minus I minus 1. Okay, so every time the element is shifting this side by 1. Okay, so this is the position of the element of right diagonal, I comma n minus I minus 1. As you can see, this one is present at position 0 comma 3. For this one, this is present at position 1 comma 2. For this one, present at position 2 comma 1, and for this last one it is present at position 3 comma 0. Okay, so as you can see this is in the format of I comma n minus I minus 1. Okay, I hope you understand this logic. So let's see the code. Here we have first find the size of our matrix. So as we know that this is a square matrix, so whatever it will be the size of row or column, that will be the size of matrix. That is, if the size of a column is n, then it will be a n cross n matrix. So here I have find the uh, n by doing mat 0 dot size. Then I have declared a sum is equals to 0. Then using this loop, I have find the sum of this left diagonal, that is mat of I comma I. Then I have find sum of this right diagonal, that is mat of I comma n minus I minus 1. And then I check if the n is odd, then I have to subtract that intersection element from the sum. And if it is not odd, that is it is even, we are perfectly fine. We don't need to subtract any element because there is no as such intersection. Okay, so and finally we will return what? Sum. Yes, so let's run the code. Let's submit. Yes, so try these examples by your own, like write the position of this diagonal element, this diagonal element, then this diagonal element, then this 7 and 9. Write the position of all these elements and try how we can relate all these elements in some logic. Like how can I put these elements in terms of ni, okay, in terms of variables. So yes, that's it for today. Try the question by yourself first, then see the solution, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video meaningful. Thank you.